Wha Gwann today, from jerk chicken to jerk pork to jerk rabbit to jerk goat to jerk anything. This is what Jamaica is all about. This is our food, our culture. This is what is ours.
We got the ribs, we got the neck, we got the foot, we got the tail. All jerk.
Jerk is Jamaican. The spice, the flavors, the rubs, the marinade. Any meat from pork to fish to chicken, you name it. This is the home of jerk. This is Boston. This is the home of jerk. This is Boston.
Otherwise the jerk Trenton.
We're there at the home of jerk. We're there right at Boston and we have to go, you know, we have to link JJ. JJ our boss where we usually come film it, and we're going to check out some other jerk. Davidsbeenhere. David. Man, I'm fly up on the road and the road's still a good.
Best cane juice in the world, right here in Boston Bay. Freshly squeezed. You see what I say? 100% no additive.
Sugar cane juice.
I know.
Come on.
Alright.
Ooh, ice cold.
This way. Yeah, man. See? Freshly squeezed.
It match our hand.
Show
Yeah,
it.
man. See?
Sugar cane, turmeric.
Sugar cane, turmeric with ginger, lemon, and lime. Right here in Jamaica shop. In Boston Bay, Portland, Jamaica.
Oh, so healthy.
Refreshing.
See?
Yeah, man.
Dude, this is the best.
Yeah,
Yes, man.
This is pure God's green earth right here.
Yes, man.
Everything you need.
Yes, man. Right here in Boston Bay, Portland, man. Just come and check me out. Yeah, man.
Brother, this a knock.
See?
Respect.
Respect, I. See?
Yeah, man.
Yes,
Good
I.
stuff, good stuff.
True.
You know what? Let me get one more. Yeah, take a close up. Mate.
Irie.
Yeah,
See?
sorry. So let's get the close up good.
Irie. Yes, I. Squeeze right here.
Turmeric, ginger, lemon and lime in a sugar cane juice. So refreshing. The time hot. You're up on the roadside. And when you're going in to go eat some pepper, you coat the belly.
Excellent. Right around. Taste the friends.
A hint of ginger. It's not burning or anything like that, but it's just the right amount. That cup is so refreshing though, and it's not super sweet. So you're not pushing up your sugar levels with pure sugar cane. Clearing the throat.
The best.
Yeah, man.
Bam.
So good, so good.
Yes, I.
Cheers.
Yes,
Yeah, I saw 4 person, I gave 4 samples. Everybody take a piece.
Alright, let's get
No,
it.
hold on, make it look good.
You gonna make it look good? You gonna make it look good?
Yeah.
So our man here is Bumpys, jerk sausage, jerk chicken.
Bumpys.
Bumpys.
Yeah, man.
Original. Any other Bumpy, it must be carbon copy. Our younger Bumpy, he's on the beach teaching.
Pepper?
Younger Bumpy teach surfing lesson on the beach. This one is Big Bumpy. Taste it. That's the
So
chicken
get this.
sausage. I'm famous.
Ooh.
Take up any piece,
Go.
man.
Yeah, man.
Me?
Yeah,
I
bro.
went straight into the pepper right away.
Real Jamaican stuff, man. Check it out. Real Jamaican stuff.
Right, Bumpy.
Originated by the
Bumpy,
Bumpy.
man.
See,
Yeah, man.
he's the one. He's the one. He's the greatest one here.
Oh, not bad.
Chicken
I'm more
sausage,
love
the
for
best
saying,
chicken sausage around, man.
Tender and like smoky.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
You can tell it to the world, man.
Up. Best in
Spice.
Boston.
Original.
Bumpys.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Bumpys.
Yeah, man. Big up, man.
So if you want to grab something,
So cool, man.
Yeah,
When
man.
Wow, it's so awesome.
yeah, fish and lobster.
A roast fish. So tender though. No, man. You know, JJ can show you what I go on in the kitchen, man.
Everything there, man.
You know,
Everything
some
shot,
man.
doesn't it?
You have to have some of the old Trenton.
Yes, man, there, man. See me there? Again, ribs,
Yes,
body,
man.
everything
Everything in our
there. Everything there. I don't know, so we have breadfruit, and we have a chicken.
Yeah, we have to go sample all of that.
Yeah, man. Fish there.
Roast fish over there too. What kind of fish upon it?
Snapper and parrot.
That look like a bun finger right there, sir. I feel that.
No, sir. No, sir. We have no boss, but the lobster cooked water, you see me?
Yeah, man, we know that though.
How you doing, man? Woo! What are we doing here?
This is where we do all the jerk.
Oh wow!
Yeah, this is the pork.
Whoa!
We got the ribs, we got the neck, we got the head, we got the foot, we got everything. The tail, everything.
The last time I was this happy, I was in a barbecue in Arizona with Mark Weens. The smoke was like this.
Yeah.
Amazing, amazing.
Respect.
Can I just have you say that again really fast, what you just said, just for TikTok?
Yeah. All right, this is the pork. Right over here, we got the head, we got the ribs, we got the neck, we got the foot, we got the tail. All jerk. And over here we have the chicken. Right here.
Wow.
With the roast breadfruit. Yeah. Over here we got the fish.
Amazing.
Yeah, man. So we don't know any
Now
stuff
this
there.
is just roasted.
Down to the chicken neck there.
Don't know all the chicken neck. Everything is there, yeah?
A crackling that? I have to have a piece of that.
Yeah, man, this is the crackling.
That is necessary.
Alright, my boss.
One piece of ribs.
What you say, man? Everything is a feel my boss. Alright, what up on the block, you know? Going through my boss. Real good on jerk, you know?
It's the real jerk.
Real jerk. Otherwise, the jerk Trenton. You see me?
All Arnold.
Come again. Real old Arnold. You see me? Yeah, man. So the sample is in them. Can have a sample, you know?
Let's go. Right here. This is jerk. You ready for that?
Me? I'm born ready for this.
Born ready.
The next one, too. Born ready. Yeah, man. You can't see all the pimento.
It reminds me of like brisket.
Everything in there.
Bush pork.
I know, it's pork, it's amazing. This might be the first time I tried jerk pork.
Really?
Yeah, because jerk chicken is more common.
Jerk pork is the original. Because what happened was you had wild boar throughout Jamaica.
With that spice, extra kick. Scott's bonnet as well?
Yeah, Scott's bonnet. Only thing it need now is a red stripe.
A red stripe.
Yeah, man.
So where's the bar?
Me you know son a red stripe you know.
Okay, right here.
Knock a queue and get back to it.
Yeah, man.
Need that spice. Right here. Dude, best jerk of all time.
Respect.
Dude.
Hey, don't be a jerk. Leave
No.
some of that for me.
So
I was thinking,
we're
getting more.
It was such a good pun, dude. I thought of that for like 5 minutes, dude.
Damn, dude, damn, what are you talking about?
It's my joke, dude. Yeah, don't be
Come
a
on.
jerk, because it's jerk pork.
Alright.
So that was the sample. We need at least a half pound I think or quarter pound each.
So,
It's sell
you
by
really want that much?
quarters.
Yeah, man.
The pork is the best. Dude, I have to have some of those fat layers right now. Right now. Which is your favorite piece?
The crackling. The piece with the fat is what you need.
That's right
Any
there.
piece with a little fat gives you more flavor. That gumminess.
Oh my gosh. Gonna take out right now?
I'm ready. Let's go. Let's go. Take out, literally, and
What time all the back you with you know? I'm going to take that round one at a time.
My dad too. No?
You don't see it, man? I'm follow you on Facebook all about it, you know, man.
Which one need crackling?
Let's put it in that one because all we go try it.
And that's pork? Who's ready for this performance?
Alright,
Get it.
Let's get it.
ready.
Yo, one more jerk. Jerk chicken, jerk pork, Jamaica. The real jerk.
This is it.
This is it.
The final event.
No, this is not the final. We'll have a little more.
Sorry, it's been a long day. The main event, the main event.
Ready? We are start. You need something with a little bit of fat, a little bit of lean, and that will just flavor. You see the crack that's on it, that bark? If you don't see bark, it's not jerk.
That's amazing.
Yeah, man.
Look at that fat layer. It's like half an inch of straight gelatin. The crust.
That is it. I'm going in for a piece of fat as well.
We get some
lean.
some spice too?
Pepper sauce.
Yeah, of course.
We're off.
Pork rinds. Whoa.
It tastes smoke, which has to be part of jerk. If you don't have smoke in Jamaica,
No, of course. Dude, I'm in awe with that bite. It was the ultimate layer of jerk. You have fat, and you have meat, then you have spice, and you have more spice.
and that crust.
That crust.
That crust.
I'm gonna get one that's just like pure meat.
Yeah, get the pure meat now.
But I feel like always with the sauce better.
The rub on this is something that is what makes it. The style of cooking. I mean, you look at mine, you see that? That's smoke that's in there. That's all smoke.
I've never had pork like this. Cinnamon in here as well, right? Most likely.
All different spices. Down here, you have pimento, you have scotch bonnet pepper, you have onion, you have scallion. I'm not gonna tell you no more because it's Jamaican.
It's Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
No.
This.
I'm in disbelief at how good it is. Look at these pieces.
And it has a little spice to it already because of
Nice.
scotch bonnet marinade. Crackling right
Yeah,
through.
this is pork rinds. This is literally the skin. With some rub.
Yeah, man.
Hold on, give me 10 seconds. Or not 10.
Value.
Okay, go ahead.
It's a pure crunch.
Wow.
That is chewy, but crunchy.
It's crunchy. You feel it as you bite. Salivating.
Flavor just burst. Burst with flavor. And it just keeps going.
And that pairs perfectly with this.
That is true. Red Stripe will push that right down.
Wow. Especially with the heat, you need a red stripe.
Red Stripe will cool you off right
There's
out.
a reason there's a lager as a national beer of all these Caribbean countries. Because if you don't have this, you're done.
It's so Jamaican while ago.
Yeah,
You don't have this,
water.
you're done.
So we're missing chicken.
Chicken is here.
Finally.
We're going in. It was a chicken breast
So chicken breast over here with some skin.
with some wing and stuff for the skin. So dive right in, but you need to get piece with the skin on or somewhere where the jerk had marinated.
Like that.
When you, yeah man, when you chop sometimes, that one that kind of look dry, but
Yeah, it's dry, but I'm gonna get this with a little bit of pepper.
yeah.
Oof. It's gonna be hot. This pepper's spicy.
I'm gonna have to dip and get all the pepper like you do the
I know,
curry sauce.
I know.
Get in there with it. Ready? Me all that sweat.
It's actually juicy, a little too dry. But you do get a little bit of that skin. You have to get the skin.
You have
Now
to
you're
get
gonna get
the
that
skin on
marination.
Marinade's supposed to soak right to the bone. And get that smoky flavor.
For the first time in my life, I'm gonna say I prefer pork over chicken. This pork,
Yeah man, the pork you just keep going. I'm going.
so tender, so juicy. There's the fat always.
Some more flavor than the chicken because of the fat that drips down into it.
Yeah, you can see it. You can see the difference here
Yeah,
in
man.
terms of the layer of fat and meat. No fat. Here, no matter what, you have some. Whoa, wow.
Fat is where the flavor is, boys. That could have. Well, one more to try now.
Want to get that sauce up, bro?
Sauce up there, the smell it look more like sweet stuff, it look like it's sweet. Juice from that, no love me.
What? May I eat everybody if you don't mind chop all the seeds?
Yeah.
Is there anywhere we going? Can we get in just for 10 seconds? Just going?
Yeah, man, but you don't know it go 10 seconds and do some support.
It's light.
Oh, tell you guys.
Okay, I'm satisfied.
I'll make sure it's juicy, you know, enough flavor for it.
And get juice elegant chicken. Got it. Well juicy.
Well seasoned.
Well seasoned. Seasoned to the bone.
Can get how much you have for? 15 pounds.
No, I know. I thought he was hanging around.
So now you have the jerk chicken. You have to try a piece of this one. This one is fresh off. You have pepper over there. You have the spices on it. You can look and see the spices on it. Dig in.
Which one you want?
Any piece, man. You take up.
This with some spice?
I would try it without the spice first.
On
On the other side. And then see how it feels.
Very flavorful. Lots of spices. Still very tender and juicy.
You got the skin?
Oh, and that's when I got the spice. Oh wow, just coming off the bone.
Supposed to be right down into the bone is how it's supposed to be soaked.
You can feel the spices of the jerk. Oh my god.
Watch it.
Coming through. Hot soap.
Once you shove this up.
So inside here, so
Yeah, man.
inside the bone, you can see the marination of the jerk. That's why it's so good. It gets super deep into the bone, and they let it sit there probably like a day or two. I don't even know.
Supposed to soak right down to the bone. Marinate for at least 24 hours.
24 hours minimum?
Some places do it for a week.
Oh my gosh, that's a good chicken. Yeah, this one's way better.
Yeah, man.
Oh my gosh.
Take this piece of skin right there. So that is you right there. That have your name on it.
Oh,
Skin or leg, anything.
maybe to get in here, I'll just pull it out because they're like. Which one? This one?
Anyone you want.
No, that one doesn't have though. This one has.
That one. See it there?
That's
Right
the
there.
skin. Yeah, that's where you see the jerk.
That's where you see the jerk.
Marinated jerk, spices, 24 hours. Then they put it onto this hot oven, smoked.
Smoke with flavor. Smoke with pimento wood.
Whoa.
It's supposed to be slow cooked. Low and slow so you get that juice and you keep that juice in it.
Butter part.
Yeah, man.
So easy to eat. That's amazing chicken, but the pork still wins.
Pork is winning.
The pork wins every day. The pork is the best. Chicken is, I feel like 10 is pork, chicken is 1. That's the difference. Solid.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. I'm done with this.
Real good. Yeah.
Going outside, nice and pork.
All pork. That's all of it.
Yeah, which is the one that's taking the longest. Perfect. Awesome, thank you, bro. Keep the cleanser. Oh, it's still hot. Ketchup, bro. Yeah. We do carnival, youth fair, etc. No add sugar on top, no eggs. This is perfect. This with coffee?
Lemon, favorite fruit, right here.
Good?
Thanks. Press record again? Just say, I'm gonna be here. Get out of that thing.
We're stopping right now, right in Portland again. We're here at Piggy's. We're here at Piggy's Jerk Center. Boston, it wasn't what I remember. Let's just put it that way. But I hear that Piggy's have some jerk chicken out here that we're going to stop and check out. It seems amazing. It looks like it's a spot to be. It's right in the center. I mean, behind me is Piggy's, and to that way is heading into Portland itself, heading back towards Boston. We're right on the water. David is over there wrapping up his session, but we can't leave Portland without one more stop of some jerk on this epic jerk tour. Just going to step in there, order right at the window. They come out with boxes. They have jerk chicken and festival right now, so we're looking forward to see what's popping at Piggy's Jerk Center.
Jerk chicken at Piggy's.
Jerk chicken at Piggy's. Piggy's but chicken.
Piggy's but chicken.
Yeah.
Piggy's but chicken.
Piggy's but chicken. I mean, we're good here. The guys said we were good.
Jamaican or Caribbean. I did this also in Barbados and I did in Trinidad.
Yeah, man.
Post up on the car. Oh my gosh.
You can't lose an extra food. Well,
guys, come here. Look at this.
check. Alright, so you see the seasoning on that?
Some jerk chicken right there.
Yeah, man.
Let's do this, man.
Yeah, man.
There's the piece I want.
That is the piece for you. I will go with this piece. Chicken butt in our food. Good chicken.
That jerk seasoning on the outer there.
On the outside. This one is seasoned to the bone though. The seasoning to up right through.
This is super tender. It's amazing how each one does jerk differently.
Yeah, everybody has their own ingredients that they put in, their own special thing.
That skin? Whoa.
The seasoning on this is incredible.
It's amazing how it falls so nicely.
Tender is supposed to be a slow cooking process. So it's supposed to be real tender and have that juice inside and supposed to be seasoned right down to the bone.
I can eat chicken like this all day. This is the best. Little, I think it's called the bunt.
Yeah, that's chicken butt.
Chicken butt.
That's why I took it off of this. Chicken butty, or what we call it.
It's nice and chewy.
We call that chicken butty.
Chicken butty. That's it for jerk, right?
That's it.
That's it. Guys, I hope you enjoyed it. The birthplace of jerk.
Portland.
Portland.
Yeah, man.
Alright, see you soon. Birthplace of jerk. It lived up to its expectations. 10 out of 10. Boom. Fire, bro.
Yeah, man.
Peace. Respect.